In this class we learn concept of event and some events. Okay, so what do you mean by event? One of the major feature of VB application or VB language is a event driven programming language. VB is a event driven programming language. One of the features of VB is event driven programming language. Okay, event driven programming language means what? On the happening of an event the code is executed. Means, so in the C language we have seen in the last semester, so after writing a program, after writing the code, simply we execute the code. When we click on Control F9, when we run the program, the code is executed, we see the output. In the VB, when we run the application, the code is not executed. On the happening of an event means when we click on control, when we click on or double click on a control, the code is executed. This is called event driven programming language. This is called event driven programming language. Okay. For example, we have placed a command button control onto the form. For example, we have placed a command button control onto the form. For this control, there are so many events. Click, double click. Okay, for example, click and double click. So we need to write code in click or double click event or etc. Okay, so when we click on this control or when we double click on this control, the code is executed. Okay, for example, we have written code under click event of a command button, then at runtime when we click on command button only the code is executed. Okay, when we click on command button only the code is executed. If we return the code under double click of a command button event, when we double click on the command button only the code is executed. Like that, so many events are available. God focus, lot focus, key up, down, like that, so many events of controls. Okay, so like that, for each and every control in VB there are events to write the code. Form control events. Form control have a load event, unload event, click event, double click event, etc. So the load event, when the form is loaded into the memory, for execution, this event is executed. Means the code which are written under this load event is executed. A form have a event called load event. Okay, the code of the load event executed when the form is loaded into memory for execution. Okay, like that. Unload means when the form is unloaded from the memory. After completion of execution the code is executed. Okay, click, when we click on the form the code is executed. Like that, double click on the form, the code is executed. So in the VB, when you run the application the code is not executed like C or some other languages. Okay, it is a event driven programming language. Means the code is executed on the happening of an event only. So the events are click, double click, so many events. Okay, some of the events are specific to some controls and common events also there. Okay, so command button events, click event, drag over, drag drop, key press, key down, etc. Text box events, change, click, double click. Change means if you change the text in a text box the code is executed. If we return the code in the change event of a text box, when we change the text in a text box the code is executed. Okay, so this is the change event of a text box. Like that, click event. Okay, when we click on the text box the code is executed. Like that, double click, drag over, drag drop, key press, key down, these are all the events of a text box. Like that, checkbox events, click, drag over, drag drop, key press, key down, key up, etc. Then next, list box events, click, double click, mouse over, item check, mouse down, mouse up, key down, key in, etc. These are all list box events. Okay, now I will show you these events by opening the VB application. Okay, so start Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. Click on open. So now I'm showing this command, placing command button control. So double click on this command button control. The events are displayed. The events are displayed. Okay, so this is the command name of the command button control, and these are all the events of this command button control. Okay, thank you.